Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're pouring on a mermaid tail cheese board. This was a board we stocked for some time and taught many workshops with. As you'll see, the cheese board was already coated, but we weren't 100% happy with the design, so we decided to recoat it. We added one strip of masking tape at the edge of the previous pour. Usually, if this is the first layer on a cheese board, we'll add 2 or 3 layers of masking tape, and this will help avoid the resin seeping underneath. We tried to match the same colours as the previous layer. We'll add the colours that we used in the description below. This was also using our U RESIN liquid glass resin system. Usually when creating cheese boards, I prefer to use U RESIN UltraCoat. This is our resin system that has a much thicker viscosity and offers little to no wastage, which is always good when working on a small surface area, just like cheese boards. UltraCoat is also better for coating the edges of a board. You may notice throughout the video, I'll touch up the edges, and that's because liquid glass is a much runnier system and tends to drip down faster. On such a small area, I would also only use a butane torch, as I find a heat gun provides too much movement on the board. For this board, I use a small torch like a creme brulee torch and a large one to help get more movement where needed. Once we were happy with how the resin looked, we left the resin to cure for 24 hours before we peeled off the tape. After the resin had cured for over a week, we gave the board a light sand all over and then applied coats of our U RESIN balm. This is a food-safe timber finishing wax. After a few coats of this, our board is ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and comment below if you enjoyed this video.